And I also did my toes, and I never do my toes because being a ballet dancer, you're always in point shoes and never really have to do your toes because they're covered in bruises anyways. I did a little blue color. That's interesting. Today I'm teaching at a dance studio later on this evening, and I thought it would be fun for you guys to come along with me and see what I do. Today's the first day I actually don't have any classes in the morning or in the afternoon, and I pretty much just have the whole day to myself. My laptop's finally fixed. I'm gonna go pick it up, and I'm also gonna go take my dog for a walk. I don't know if I should bring her somewhere new. She seems like the same place all the time, so I think I'll just bring her to the same place anyways. But it is starting to get cold in Canada, so definitely gonna bundle up for this. Also go to the grocery store. We're pretty much out of groceries. Something exciting is happening sometime soon. My partner and I have a huge announcement we're going to announce sometime soon. Try to guess in the comments down below what it is. And I want to see if you guys notice. So if you're a morning person, do you shower first thing in the morning? Because I find I do so much stuff in the morning, like go for walks or teach, that I have no choice but to shower at night. So I showered last night and did a really nice face mask, exfoliated, all that kind of fun stuff, did my nails, etc., etc. How do you people do it in the morning? I mean, I wake up and roll out of bed, wash my face, brush my teeth, go have my coffee. Well, I have my coffee beforehand, and have breakfast, and then do my stuff, and then shower in the evening. What do you guys do? Do you shower in the morning or evening? Some SPF. I know I'm really pale, and it's kind of a mystery because my dad was never pale, being Indigenous. Don't know how I got like this. Actually, I know my mom's Irish, so the palest of the pale, and Scottish. Let's go find the dog and take her for a walk. It was an absolutely beautiful day to go out for a walk. I used to be somebody who went to the gym every single day, sometimes 6 or 7 days a week even, but just walking with the dog has been really my outlet for exercise since I do have a heavily physical job. I always suggest to my clients for personal training and for nutrition to find some sort of physical exercise and activity that you actually enjoy. For me, that's walking and hiking because I get to be outside, spend some quality time with the dog as she's doing this weird thing between my legs trying to get her leash off, and I get to get some vitamin D and listen to a podcast. Lately, I've been really liking Emma Chamberlain's podcast while I'm walking. Emma Chamberlain. I don't know. I'm going to put the link down below of the podcast that I listen to on this walk, and you guys can join me. And how adorable does Elsa look in this? She's picture perfect. Okay, let's go. Gonna go pick up my laptop, get some groceries because we're out, and maybe look around the mall a little bit. Saw there was a Spirit Halloween store. Do I do it? Do I go? Grocery store's done, but I am starving. I got these croissants and they have their savory sun-dried tomato and olive, I think. Yeah, tomato olive croissant. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I was so hungry. You know when you're in a grocery store and all you can think about is eating food and you just see food around you? I overspent too, really. But it's so good. I also knew that I would be starving by the time I got home, so I got some salads from the salad bar and some worn pastas, so I'll have that all set up when I get home. I had to try this bread that has no preservatives, blah blah blah, and has oil, yeast, flour, and water, and everything seasoning, and I'm gonna try it with the new hummus set I just got, and some everything bagel seasoning because you can't get enough. Just look at the difference between my nutrition client's notes and my dance client and student notes. It's just, I love this notebook that I got from Indigo because it is divided into a ton of different categories. So I keep some plans for my dance studios up here. I keep my budget up here in this jotted journal. I keep my website design stuff in here and my nutrition client information all in this part. If I should change my skirt to a black skirt because I just feel like everything black just really looks very professional. But everything else is green in my wardrobe, including my eyes. So I've got a green skirt on, my black shirt, my white nails, and then my portfolio where I keep all of my notes and the attendance sheets. It's also green, plus the outside is green, so I'm just gonna keep it. Oh, I forgot my ballet shoes. I knew I would forget something.